is our defense against coronavirus COVID-19? Hi, my name is Raju Bhagia. I am from Kushal Engineers. We are into the business line for supply of engineers for projects. Recently, after lockdown and so much of COVID news going around, one of our engineer asked me, he said, "Sir, if I am wearing the mask, then why should I follow the social distancing?" And I was shocked. I was shocked because it is so untrue. As we all know, COVID-19 is and has to be considered as a war on humans. We get flooded with so much of information by various channels, by e-paper, TV news, videos on YouTube, WhatsApp, Facebook, etc., etc. And we keep on digesting all that news. But does it give the clear message? I would say no. Still, the clear message is elusive. And that is why all this confusion is going around. So, I'm not an expert, any medical professional or any type of knowledgeable person, but I am a common man like you, one among the general public. But from what I have understood after reading various pieces of news articles and watching enormous videos, I thought, let me put my views in a small video clip which may be useful for fellow humans on this planet. Please be very clear that COVID-19 pandemic is a war by invisible deadly virus on humans. Like any military officer will tell us, in a war where enemy is invisible, we cannot attack. So only way to fight this enemy is by defending ourselves. So, from what I understand, there are two types of attacks possible. One is if we get into proximity of any COVID positive patient, and assuming he is sneezing or coughing or even speaking loudly and has unknowingly thrown droplets in the air. In this case, to defend this attack, our first line of defense is social distancing. If enemy still tries to come closer, our second line of defense is face shield. And if this also does not protect us from enemy, our third line of defense is face mask. The second type of attack is by coming in physical contact with any surface where droplets of any COVID positive patient have accidentally fallen due to sneezing, coughing, etc. In this case, what I understand, our only line of defense is not touching our mouth, nose and eyes without washing our hands thoroughly with soap water or alcohol based sanitizer. And hence, we must keep following the practice of washing our hands with soap water or sanitizing our hands very frequently. To minimize the chances of getting virus on our hands when we are outdoor, we can use hand gloves. But I feel it may turn out to be a false protection as it needs to be handled with care. Problem is, when we accidentally touch our mobile or any other object with gloves on our hands, we may pass virus to various surfaces, and that does not help. So, my friends, please follow all the defenses to remain protected. I hope this message will reach out to millions of fellow humans on this planet and may help in saving some lives. If you find it useful, you can like and share this video. I also welcome all type of comments to understand this pandemic better. Thank you so much.